Such a beautiful day out. We put Coco out here. He's just enjoying himself. Pretty much been eating all day long. So here he is, just chillaxing outside in his cute little hutch. Whenever it's nice out, we always want to give our animals a chance to enjoy the fresh air, because it's good for them. Right, Coco? Aw, there he goes, cleaning himself. Huh? A little sip of water. A little bit of water there. Aw. I'll help you out there. Oh, hi, Shelby. She likes checking him out every once in a while. Aw, got a little shiver there. Alrighty. Bye, Coco. Aw, he just did his little paw. Bye, Coco. Bye. Aw, there you go. Aw, he just yawned. That was so cute, Coco. Alright, bye. Alright, he turned his back on us. Let's go. Bye-bye, Coco.